A massive earthquake struck the Caribbean region on February 8, 2025. The quake had a magnitude of 7.6. It hit at 6:23 p.m. local time. The epicenter was located 130 miles south-southwest of Georgetown, Cayman Islands. This put the earthquake between Honduras and the Cayman Islands, along a fault line known as the Cayman Trough. The Cayman Trough is where the North American and Caribbean tectonic plates meet. The earthquake's depth was a relatively shallow 6.2 miles below the ocean floor. The shallow depth of the earthquake meant that the seismic waves traveled a shorter distance to the surface. This often results in stronger shaking being felt on land. Fortunately, initial reports indicate that no major damage or casualties have been reported. This region is no stranger to seismic activity. The Caribbean sits on an active seismic zone. The movement of tectonic plates creates strain along fault lines. This strain eventually releases, causing earthquakes. The earthquake's tremors were felt across a wide area. People reported feeling light shaking across the Caribbean. This included areas like the Yucatan Peninsula, Nicaragua, Honduras, and possibly even southern Cuba. Approximately 67,000 people experienced the shaking, which serves as a stark reminder of the region's vulnerability to earthquakes. Despite the widespread shaking, the lack of immediate reports of significant damage is a positive sign. Buildings in earthquake-prone regions are often constructed with stricter building codes. These codes help structures withstand seismic activity, potentially mitigating damage. However, authorities are still urging caution. They are conducting thorough assessments of infrastructure. They want to ensure that no hidden damage was caused by the earthquake. Following the earthquake, a tsunami advisory was issued. This advisory covered a large portion of the Caribbean. It included Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and the Cayman Islands. Residents living along coastal areas were advised to move inland to higher ground. Tsunamis are a series of ocean waves caused by underwater disturbances, such as earthquakes. When an earthquake occurs on the ocean floor, it can displace a massive amount of water, creating these powerful waves. The tsunami advisory was a precautionary measure. Fortunately, no significant tsunami waves were reported. This recent earthquake serves as a reminder of the Caribbean's history with seismic events. The region has experienced several significant earthquakes in the past. In 2021, a 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck Haiti. In 2010, a devastating 7.0 magnitude earthquake also hit Haiti. This one claimed many lives. This was due to its shallow depth and proximity to the capital city of Port-au-Prince. Earthquakes are notoriously difficult to predict. However, experts emphasize the importance of preparedness. Having emergency kits readily available, knowing evacuation routes, and staying informed through official channels are crucial steps in mitigating risks associated with earthquakes and potential tsunamis.